So we've got two numbers here, and now this is where things start to get a little precarious. Who knows what these could be, right? What do these bits actually represent? I mean, we've used unsigned numbers for pretty much everything, but now these could be anything, right? They could be one's complement, two's complement, sign, magnitude, or eventually we'll see even more number systems. So it's very important that when you do your work and when I do my work, I'm going to notate what's what, right? And so in this case, these are two's complement numbers. So first, just to get a little understanding here, let's figure out what these numbers are in let's just figure out what they are in decimal. So if they're two's complement, we know that this is our sign bit, and so this is a positive number, right? This is a positive number, and the magnitude, we just take these last three bits here, so this is positive 5. This guy, we got to do a little bit of work. We got to flip the bits and add 1. So let's go over here. 0, 0, oops. 1. So flip the bits. Oops, my goodness. And add 1. So we're going to add 1. And what do we get? Well, we get 1, 1, 1. And that turns out to be a 4 plus 2, 6, and 7. And remember, though, initially this is a negative number, so we've got a negative 7 here. All right, so what do we expect? Well, we expect to get, if we add these guys together, positive 5 to negative 7, we expect to get a negative 2. And let's see what we end up with here, eh? Let's do purple. So I'm just going to add this like regular and see what happens. 1 and a 1, well, that's a 0 with a carry. 1 and 2 zeros, that's just a 1. 1 and a 0 is a 1. And 0 and a 1 is a 1. All right. So we've got this number here, and it looks like our sign bit is negative here. So we need to flip the bits and add 1 to get our figure out what our magnitude is, right? We know it's negative, but we can't really find the magnitude directly. So flip the bits. So we get 0, 0, 0, 1. And then we need to add 1. So we add 1 to this, and we end up with 0, 0, 1, 0. And what is this? Well, it's a 2, but remember our sign means it's negative. So we got negative 2. So that's the cool thing about this whole two's complement thing is we can just add the numbers with nothing special, right? We just add them and it just all kind of works out.